Hey guys, it's Dr. Sharleen. I'm going to teach you something. I'm going to teach you a trick. So first of all, you know about the hair mask. Go out and get it. If you haven't gotten it yet, go out and get it. I don't know what's keeping you because it is like doing so well and flying off the shelves. And we had to actually place an extra order in. And you know, when you order two, you get that wonderful comb that we have that detangles. So anyway, this is the side that got the hair mask. Okay, it's softer, it's detangled, it's a little more tame. This side, it's cool, but it needs some help. I'm gonna teach you a trick. When you have synthetic hair and it starts looking raggedy and shaggy, you need to refresh the synthetic hair. Yes, these are not hair trimmers. Synthetic hair, not my hair. My hair, I would be using the high-end trimmers and clippers, okay? So you wanna be able to look your best no matter where you're going. I'm going into a lecture hall. I'm learning, I'm doing stuff. I don't need shaggy hair. I don't need that. I need tamed, smooth, healthy hair. And you see how that's looking tamed already? I need you to like take the time to do this every once in a while. You wear synthetic hair, wash it before you put it in. Everybody's like, oh, acetic acid, vinegar. Here's the thing, that's an acid. Vinegar is an acid. You mix an acid with stuff, you release other stuff, or you cause chemical reactions that you can't see. So I'm not using acetic acid on synthetic hair that has already chemicals in it. I just use shampoo, okay? So here's this thing too, the ends don't need to look jaggedy. Fix them, okay? You want your stuff to look refreshed. Synthetic hair people who wear synthetic hair, there's no reason for it to look super old, even if it is. Well, one, I don't want it to be, because you need to wash your hair and wash your scalp and, you know, do your hair mask to soften and everything and to get that good, juicy, healthy, moisturized scalp, right? That nice and juicy. You don't want that dry earth scorched scalp that looks like the meteorologist map when they're showing you Arizona and all these dry desert places. That's not what your scalp is supposed to be looking like. It's not supposed to see the cracks and everything, and then now your skin barrier is vulnerable, and now all these pollutants are going to go in and irritants, and you're going to be irritated, and you're going to be like this and like this and like this, and now the nails are causing excoriations or scratches, and now everything you put on burns. And now your scalp is really inflamed, and then you start losing hair because of that. Yeah, let's not say we did. So what we do is we apply this from root to tip and on the scalp, and it saves the scalp, and we're not gonna leave in protective hairstyles for too long. Yes, I said protective, because a hairstyle is not protective if you have your braids in for so long that your hair locked up in the braids and you didn't mean to get locks, okay? Your hairstyle is not protective if when you take it out, you're sitting here ripping it out, and you're not putting hair mask and all that stuff to get the slip, so the hair just slips out, right? Your hairstyle is not protective if you're sitting there letting somebody pull it so far back that you see the little white bulbs and white ends from your root of your hair. That means your hair was pulled out from the root, baby. It means it was pulled out from the root, and you're like, oh yeah, it'll grow back. Keep doing it. It's not gonna grow back. That's my profession. I see it every day, day in, day out. And I love my patients, and I talk to them and I empower them. Don't let them pull your hair out. Okay, don't let that happen again. These are a bunch of little white ends. Those are your roots, okay? So we're gonna take care of this protective hairstyle, for real, okay? And we're going to do this, okay? Now be careful not to actually cut out the hair you wanna keep. You're just trying to keep this smooth and cute, right? You can even do it here, smooth and cute. Careful not to cut the crochet out now. Careful not to cut the crochet out. But this is a good trick for keeping your hair and your synthetic hair looking juicy and refreshed. Oh, I see a little fuzzy here. I see a little fuzzy. Okay. And that's my tip for you today. Take care. Your scalp is skin. Give your scalp the respect that you give to the skin on the rest of your body, okay? Your scalp is skin. Treat it as such. You would not go for weeks and months without moisturizing and lotioning your skin. Some of y'all do, and I see y'all in the office, and y'all not need prescription moisturizer. But I digress. So now we can return. You're gonna take care of your scalp, and you're gonna moisturize it with this all natural, wonderful hair mask. No parabens, no phthalates, no silicones, no sulfates, no estrogen disrupting chemicals, no synthetic fragrances, none of that. All natural.